Police are investigating a possible link between the murder of Eilang Phawa and Kennedy Khongsit, the 32-year-old accused in a previous child murder case, following claims that the two were seen together shortly before her disappearance. The investigation gained momentum after Phawa'S body was recently recovered from a drain between Nongra and Lapalang localities. Authorities have confirmed that the case is a murder and stated that the suspect has been identified, though no official confirmation has been made regarding Khongsit's involvement. According to sources, some individuals have claimed that Eilang Phawa and Khongsit were seen together at a tea stall in Nongra a few days before she went missing. Police, however, said that while certain aspects of these claims are being verified, no conclusive evidence has yet emerged to establish a direct connection. Family members of Eilang Phawa have denied any knowledge of an association between her and Khongsit. Speaking to the media at Negrims, where the post-mortem examination is being conducted, they said they were unaware of the two knowing each other. Relatives stated that Phawa was last seen on the 20th of March 2026 after leaving a relative's residence at RR Colony at around 4 p.m. and had remained untraceable until her body was recovered on the 6th of April, reportedly wrapped in plastic. East Kasihel Superintendent of Police Vivek Aim said the investigation is ongoing and further details will be disclosed as the probe progresses. Police are continuing to examine whether the two cases are connected or if the reported sighting of Phawa with Khongsit is coincidental. The body will be handed over to the family after the post-mortem for last rites at her native village in Musiang near Nartiang in the Jantia Hills.
Kebangila ya tibangila siam ni tamet ya tang ya kata hitang betai ban ya like ya Eilang bat ya yulang bat ite kumyo jinti be era isaj mi tang ba injo jare kumi isaj lek hi lek ba doni ba haying lek ka sata te da wanang taru lek hisaying injo jare
te hatu ka sengi pat imi banda syai pat
lek ka sa renja saying ba haying
mun isalek barabor
isalek barabor hi la bunsin hi la lek da dam itu te kilek bu hi ma te namar ba isalek injo jare ilek hi wan hi te ngimdon kita kata kacing mud sniu di tharai sniu ma namar ba dei ba hayem te maria tip ba ngi ap hadu chiko baji ni baji tu nong ko te klem poyin shu mar hang ta hi ni la ya mare no ke stan
bahaya salam baji ini lagi.
Nama ngawan tray kumtu dai baji ai lapoi hayeng bat ngakli ikon kan ang ikon gimi he trong pishan no ang nanda do men si indon rap chua balik shop school mangan dengan ang tibra kan baji mi ang am tibra nama ikon jangar kumtu si baji arpau la mi na yeng lek shop school ta saya ngapat kumtu yang ngadang api agasi sajan baru sini kumtu yang ap lesi dangwan biang mah dan dalam ap kumtu pat imwan sure ngalek lere nak sayu kan police station ngap lek komplain kan ang bai men jangai ja la do menin mah do untuk arpo tarik kamwan pai yang sudah do mentah dengan kumtu yang ada AFR tengah long ya wat itu awat hi hayeng samru ngi kali sayeng kibru rukat bai itu kumtu dekat ba kali ru yang don ra ya syukun tang itu kong di besi wan me di ong wan hi menna pon betu kesini thok den keng baca me di ong wan tu lai baca lai steng si jam tang bai ilale hai bat si tengah ong em kem wan ra yang tengah meir tip sana mah ban poi kata kapot cak ni kita
kemun nak kalian yang buat utai Kennedy se kamdan jingtip ai
kamdan jingtip re kata namar mi ihira ma bal iyaj taru tang batti be ba iwan sing ko ya kata bat tahu beru tengok mi tip dah
Mo kata ka yeng citai kong kadan hai.
Renjak.
hang tu renja ar kulani
Kemudian ilak puai renjak piok.
hai lawan
Yang kila.
lawan na yang kau
Kau tu imi kena baje.
ini hikum tu sawa je
Iklaman pai syuk.
kelawan pai syur saja
Pilak pun batai ka jing man jo ni yo snu.
i dam like keren than ra long bei kawai ru kelut sakawai ru bedah keran ru ngihat ya perta bah kelut kan selang perta dang gaya bah keren ru ya keren ru kum tuang don bai like kum kendiat tu long sai ta da don bah yu pat long klan tum like bah ra tang ngi bat hai yang la ya man lien ngi la thu kat bai ikran is thu ya kata bai ikran
Dah tu ya pi cuba tai en amba let's say dan be itu beri oi siapa nongra ni cuba tai kan kita bisa saja.
kata yang ngai na mari kam i sama yuang jo ya thu re kai the long tang ba da la ni long ni ki khu na si ang ba le kai sta ki si chu tang tai
Kemudian para trai atau bidan kan baje subas ni. Sim.
ni ta ka men trai ting don ya nang la si ta yo ha la at ta yo te la cha te ka don ba hi
Subang. Sepriau.
don nang ka don ni kum tu ma ong ya le si don ki re ba khot ya ka tang ka tar ka don ni pat ka mesin pat ba tharai re kan katre don bat ka jumot ba ong yo ka le si ba chong kum bakalanti ta